Pipe threads are tapered. As the fitting tightens, the male and female threads wedge together. The seal begins with mechanical interference, not with sealant. The tightening force converts into radial pressure between the thread flanks, and that pressure stops the bulk of potential leakage. However, even tightly engaged threads are not perfectly smooth. The thread form creates a continuous spiral path from the first thread to the last. Under pressure, fluids and gases follow that microscopic path. A joint can feel solid and still seep, because sealing and tightening are not the same thing. Sealant exists to interrupt that spiral leak path. It fills surface imperfections, occupies voids between the thread roots and crests, and prevents fluid from traveling along the helix. It also lubricates during assembly, allowing the threads to engage deeper before friction stops rotation. The taper compresses the joint. The sealant completes the seal. This is why a dry fitting may tighten and appear secure, but still produce bubbles during testing. The mechanical seal is present, yet the leak path remains open. Adding sealant does not create the seal. It blocks the remaining path the threads cannot eliminate on their own. Sealants are available in 3 common forms: PTFE tape, paste compounds, often called pipe dope, and liquid thread sealants. All serve the same mechanical purpose, but they differ in application, consistency, and performance under certain conditions. PTFE tape is clean, inexpensive, and easy to apply. It works well on water and air systems at moderate pressures. It adds lubrication and fills minor surface imperfections. However, excessive wraps can interfere with engagement or tear during assembly. Tape can also shred if applied before the first thread, introducing debris into sensitive systems. It must be wrapped in the tightening direction so installation does not unwind it. Paste sealants provide better gap-filling ability than tape and are less prone to shredding. They work well for gas lines and larger diameter fittings where surface imperfections are more pronounced. Some formulas are rated for specific fuels, chemicals, or temperature ranges. The trade-off is mess and cure time for certain compounds. Liquid thread seal offer controlled lubrication, consistent coverage, and strong resistance to vibration. These are often used in industrial or higher pressure systems. Cure time and compatibility with plastics or certain metals must be verified before use. Material compatibility matters. Brass, steel, and iron fittings generally tolerate all 3 types when properly rated. Plastic fittings require more caution. The lubrication of the threads can allow for over-tightening the fitting, leading to cracked fittings and failure. Application technique matters as much as product choice. Sealant should be applied to the male threads only. The first thread should remain clear to prevent contamination inside the system. More is not better. The objective is to fill voids, not create a gasket layer between the threads. The guiding principle remains consistent. Achieve proper mechanical engagement first. Use sealant to block the spiral leak path in support assembly. When the taper is doing its job, the sealant completes it. When the taper is not engaged correctly, no sealant will compensate for that. Pipe threads seal by shape. Sealant assists the seal. Choosing the right type and applying it correctly ensures the joint performs without leaks or damage. This video is part of the All About Fasteners and Threads playlist. If you want a deeper understanding of how threads, torque, and sealing really work, take a look at the full series. Thanks for watching. There's more to come.